While traveling through Africa, Brazil, and Latin America, I witnessed firsthand the unimaginable effect of poverty, especially on children. I witnessed children almost naked, hungry, barefooted, playing soccer using as a football rags tied together with strings which they made. I always cherish the memory that even in this grinding poverty of nothingness, kids were truly having fun to play, telling the world it is my right to play. Many of the best stars in football and sport came from the terrible slums of Brazil or the dust bowls of the Cameroon and Africa. A testament of what true sport can do, creating opportunities to breaking the cycle of exclusion and poverty. Family Nature Parks and its not-for-profit arm, My Right to Play, are committed to making life better for young people living in poverty and ensuring the disabled participate in sport and recreation. My Right to Play has planned and adopted a comprehensive, focused, practical, tangible, deliverable poverty elevation programs and action plans ready for implementation. The main feature of our action plans is to raise funds from grants, donation, sponsorship, and a share of the profit from Family Nature Parks. Please continue to read the rest of my personal message to you. Thank you.